Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 1. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12 and 1 by 2% per annum compounded annually. Let us solve this question. Here it is given that principal P is equal to rupees 10,800. Rate R is equal to 12 and 1 by 2%. 12 1 by 2%, that is equal to 24 plus 1, 25 by 2, 25 by 2%. Number of years n is equal to 3. Now we know that amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Therefore, we are getting P is 10,800. That is principal. 1 plus R is 25 by 2. 25 by 2 divided by 100, that is 1 by 100, that is 2 into 100. To the power n is 3. Therefore, we are getting 10,800. 10,800 into 200. You take the LCM as 200. Then we are getting 200 plus 25 to the power 3. Then we are getting 10,800. 10,800 into 225 by 200 into 225 by 200 into 225 into 200 into 200 into 200. After calculation, we are getting that amount is equal to rupees 15,377.34. This is the amount. This is the answer of amount. And we find the compound interest. That is CI, compound interest is equal to compound interest compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. That is equal to, amount is rupees 15,000, 377.34 minus 10,800, that means we are getting rupees. If we subtract this one, that is 15,377.34 minus 10,800, You subtract this one, we are getting 4. It is 3. It is 7. It is also 7. 8, 5, 13. Carry 1, 1. It is 4. 4,577.34. That is equal to 4,577. 4,577.34. This is answer. This is the compound interest and this is the amount. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.